What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're here to cover more of Windows 11, and we're going to demonstrate how to move a game that is displaying on the wrong display to the correct display with a shortcut. But the cool thing is the shortcut also works for other applications, and it also is great for resizing windows as well as hiding them quickly. So to give a little bit better background, you can see that I've duplicated the issue. I have Mortal Kombat 1 going on my Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. And it displays really well on there, but it's a small display. And I actually want it to display on this larger wide LG display. Interesting enough, most games actually default to the larger, wider display, but for some reason Mortal Kombat, and this is from Steam, it would default to that smaller display on the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. So naturally I did some research and I tried to figure out how to fix this issue, because you can't just use the mouse, which you might be able to see in the video. It's displaying over Mortal Kombat 1 on the Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. And you can't just use the mouse to press and hold and drag the game to the other display. That would probably be the easiest way to do this if it were possible. But we can actually use a shortcut, and it's going to be the Shift key, the Windows key, and in this situation, the right arrow key. And you can see if we do that, it's going to quickly and easily move the game from the Legion Pro 7i, that smaller display, to the larger, wider LG display. This works really well. But also, if we use this shortcut, we're going to move to this window that I have here on the smaller Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. I'm going to take that window just to demonstrate once again, and I'm going to move it to the larger display here. So again, Shift, Windows, and in this situation the right arrow key, that moves it to the larger, wider display. But we can also use a combination of this shortcut to enlarge the window, make the window smaller, or hide it. So let's go ahead and demonstrate here. I'm actually going to make this window full screen. And this is also great because, again, you can use this shortcut for not only games but other applications, in this situation a web browser. So we're going to make this window smaller, so we're going to do Shift, Window, and Down key. So you can see that that minimizes the window, and if we want to enlarge the window, we can do the opposite, Shift, Window, and Up key. So it's going to enlarge the window. Now what's interesting here, and I have to play with this to learn more, is it did enlarge the window, but it didn't expand it to completely fill up this larger, wider display. I'll have to do some research on that and figure out why. But if you know in the comments down below, let us know, and maybe I can just inform people, or others can inform people. That's why we have the comments section. Very helpful community there. But this also works in reverse. So let's say, I have my Mortal Kombat going on this larger, wider display, and I want to get this window out of the way. I can move it to that smaller Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9 display. We're going to do Shift, Windows, and in this situation, the left arrow key. And there we go. And I love this setup because this allows me to play the game here, and if I'm working on something that's more like second task, I could put that on a smaller display. And I like the idea of also reversing this. So if I'm playing Mortal Kombat, but it's not the main focus, I want to do some productivity and then occasionally take a break and defeat some enemies, I can move this to that smaller display. And then I'm going to look for my browser here and say I want that to be the main focus here. I can move that to the larger, wider display. And there we go. I can move between these quickly and easily. So again, very nice shortcut. Again, that is going to be the Shift key, the Windows key, and the respective arrow to accomplish what you want. So let me know in the comments down below if you found this video useful and if you are going to be using this shortcut. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
you.